Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am going to talk about the Pakistan situation. We have a lot of problem. We have a complicated matter. I have many times discussed to the politician, our leader, and our caretaker. But they haven't any answer and they haven't any solution for the fatigue people, for the frustrated people. So I thought I should talk to the new generation in our youth, because they are the torchbearer of Pakistan. So I have a same celebrity. They are learned in a Karachi University. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, Shahab.
Wa alaikum assalam. How are you?
I am fine. And what about you?
I'm also fine. So could you tell me? Could you introduce yourself in 3 lines?
Yes, I am Faiza. I am citizen of Karachi and I am doing MA from Karachi University.
Oh, you're doing MA from
Yeah.
Karachi University. So is the life of Karachi unbelievably complicated?
Yes, due to the situation, life in the Karachi is so complicated.
Why?
Because there is no love and affection between the citizens of Karachi, and there is a totally bribe culture in Karachi. That's why the life in Karachi is so complicated.
So can we recover?
Yes, definitely we can recover ourselves.
My second question is, how is earning lots of money in Karachi incredibly hard?
I will give you answer that the people of Karachi is selfish and greedy. They are self-centered and there is no opportunity of employment in Karachi. That's why the earning of lot of money in Karachi is so complicated.
This problem is especially in Karachi or all the Pakistan?
I think the graph is going up in Karachi.
Especially in Karachi?
Especially in Karachi.
Why?
Because there is no well-organized system in Karachi.
Okay. And my third question is, why don't people of Karachi have moral support for others?
The people of Karachi don't have moral support because they are self-centered. They don't think about the other feelings and emotions. They are fulfilling their own wishes. That's why there is no love and affections, and then they don't give the moral support to the others.
I mean, they have fatigue from the situation.
Yeah, they have
situation.
totally fatigue from the situation of Karachi due to the strike, unemployment, inflation, and other problems in Karachi, as we know.
Okay. And how should people of Karachi cope with this problem?
The people of Karachi can cope this problem by following the Islamic rule.
By Islamic rule?
Yeah. Yeah, because we are so far from the Islamic rule and we don't follow the Islamic rule and Sunnah. That's why we are now in this situation.
So what do you think of those people who do their work properly?
The people who do their work properly, they follow the Islamic rule. That's why they have established their life and they are spending their life with happiness.
Okay. And can we follow the Islamic rule easily?
Yeah, we can follow Islamic rule easily.
Why we don't follow the Islamic rule?
Because we are going totally on the wrong way.
Why? We haven't any right way for going.
No, we are also responsible for this. I am not blaming on the politician and other persons. I am also including in this.
Okay, I mean we are faulted.
Yeah.
So last question. What are American and British society so lucky in living standard?
Because in my thinking, there is no bribe culture in America and other cities. That's why they have now established.
Okay, I mean they give respect to human.
They give respect to the others and they follow. There is an implement of law in America and other countries. That's why they are well established.
Thank you. Guys, you listen to the student. They have a many solution of this problem. I mean, if we follow the Islamic rule, so we can easily recover this situation.